In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the trouble loading features error in Canva. If Canva opens but the left-hand panel won't load properly, this usually means the app can't fully connect to the features it needs, like elements, uploads, apps, or other design tools. The good news is that this is often caused by a temporary browser or session issue, and in most cases, it's easy to fix. First, before changing anything on your device, check whether Canva itself is having a service problem. Open a new browser tab and go to status.canva.com. Once the page loads, look at the system status for important areas like the editor, apps, and asset library. If Canva is reporting an outage or maintenance, the issue is likely on their side, so the best thing to do is wait until services are restored. But if everything shows as operational, then the problem is probably limited to your browser session or device. Next, clear your browser's cache and cookies. This is one of the most effective fixes because old or corrupted site data can interfere with Canva's ability to load features correctly. In Chrome or a similar browser, click the menu in the top right corner and choose Clear Browsing Data. Set the time range to all time, then make sure cookies and other site data and cached images and files are selected. After that, click Clear Data. This won't delete your Canva designs, but it will remove stored browser data that may be causing the conflict. After that, check your browser extensions. Ad blockers, privacy tools, and script blocking extensions can sometimes stop Canva from loading parts of the interface. Click the extensions icon near the top right of your browser and temporarily disable any blockers you have running. This helps rule out whether one of those tools is interrupting Canva's background scripts. If the error still appears, open a new incognito window or a new private window. Then go to canva.com, sign in again, and open your design there. This gives you a clean browser session and can help bypass account token or sign-in conflicts that sometimes happen when multiple profiles or login methods are active in the same browser. Finally, go back to your Canva workspace and do a hard refresh. On Windows, press Ctrl and F5. On Mac, press Command, Shift, and R. This forces the browser to pull a fresh version of the page from Canva's servers. Once it reloads, check the left sidebar and open sections like Elements, Uploads, and Apps to confirm everything is loading properly. That's it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.